just communicating with my bird, son. We just doing a little chit chat right here. But I got a little pop quiz to all the bird owners out there. Alright now, what is this hen doing right here? Is it A, she's hibernating? Is it B, she's going into labor? Or is it C, she's getting ready to hatch the nice stags of hers right there? Alright now, if you pick any of those choices, you're fucking wrong, son. I'm sorry to tell you that. I don't even know if there's fucking eggs in there, son. I don't know.